In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change paper size to A4 in Google Sheets. If you are preparing a document for regions that use the international standard, A4 is the go-to size. 210 by 297 millimeters. Here is how to set that up quickly and make sure your sheet prints cleanly. First, open the Google Sheet you want to print. Next, access the print settings. At the top left, click File, then choose Print. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on a Mac. This opens the print preview. In that panel, find the paper size dropdown. Click the dropdown to reveal available sizes. Choose A4, shown as 210 x 290. 7 millimeters. As soon as you pick it, the preview updates to reflect the A4 page boundaries. Before you finalize, take a moment to adjust the layout so everything fits. Orientation lets you switch between portrait and landscape. Landscape can be helpful for wide tables. Margins control how close content sits to the edges. If your columns are getting cut off, try narrowing the margins slightly. Scale helps fit data onto the page. You can reduce or increase the size so your columns fit on one page width without shrinking text too much. Watch the preview as you tweak these options to balance readability and space. Use the preview zoom to view the page at 100% and make sure the text size is comfortable. If columns spill onto an extra page, try switching to landscape or apply a fit to width scale to bring everything onto one sheet without squeezing it illegibly. Normal margins work for most cases, but narrow can free just enough space for one more column. When your sheet looks right on A4, you are ready to output it. Click Next to move to your system's print dialog. There you can pick a physical printer and confirm settings. Or choose the Save as PDF option to create a file you can share or store. On some systems, the print dialog also shows its own paper size. It should mirror A4 automatically. If it doesn't, select A4 there to avoid unwanted resizing. Saving as PDF will embed the A4 page size so recipients see the same layout whether they open it on desktop or mobile. Confirm the destination and complete the print or save action. That's it. Thanks for watching.